shortcut only. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. There you go. Let's pass the microphone to Vivian. Sit down first, Izzy. There you go. Vivian will sing. Okay. Who wants to sing after Vivian? You know what? You can sing. Okay, ready? Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Very good. Okay, let's pass the microphone to somebody else, the two of you. Okay, who else wants to sing? Jin? Do you want to sing? There, Jilly, let's give a chance to your classmates also. Okay, how about to Jillian? There. Okay, let's see if Jillian wants to sing. Izzy and Vivian, sit down. Sit down. There. We're in the music room, you guys. We're not in the play floor. Okay, sit down first. Okay, ready, Jillian? Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, she's still shy. It's fine. Okay, Izzy is going to pass the mic to... How about to Tristan? Can you pass the mic to Tristan? Oh, I have another microphone. Here you go. Tristan, you want to sing along? Okay. How about Belle? Tama mo ba? Belle. There. Belle is ready to sing. Belle and Izzy will sing together. Okay, ready? Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Very good. Good job, Bella. Okay, let's pass the mic to Jin. Hello. Hello. Jin, it's your turn. Okay, Jin is not yet ready. Okay, you can hold the microphone and we'll sing one last time. Everybody, please join teacher in singing so that when you go home, you remember our first song. Okay, ready, Izzy? Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, very good. What's that you're singing? You're singing another song? Yeah, okay, good job. Okay, pack away. And let's all sit down. Everybody sit down. Okay, Izzy, can you sit beside teacher so that I will also see Jillian? What's this animal? What is this, Vivian? Horse. It's a horsey. Do you know the sound that the horse makes? Sit down.